In this video, I want to have a few disclaimers. This is in my opinion, and it's based on what I can tell. A contractor's way to read a contract and what to look for. This is not legal advice, but a suggestion from a contractor. I hope you find this video helpful and useful in seeking out responsible, reliable contractors in your state and neighborhood. Thank you. It's human nature to go right to the bottom line, see what the quote is to fix your yard drain problem or whatever service it is that you're getting quotes for. But once you decided on a quote and you say, okay, this is a fair price, make sure it's including everything that you need done. Now, if you like the contractor and you want to use the contractor and they come out in the contract, in the fine print, and say, we're not going to repair your sprinklers, we're not going to guarantee against sod damage, we're going to use the trencher, basically tear up your yard, and you're going to have a landscaper come in and an irrigation contractor come in, and we're not going to take care of any of the incidentals. And we're not going to warranty against flooding in this case, because this would be a drainage contract, because Mother Nature, we can't beat her. So if you didn't read this and you just saw the bottom line and you were happy with the price and you hired that contractor and they leave and your yard is all tore up and you need some new grass and you need a new sprinkler system or sprinklers repaired, it's going to cost you extra. Remember that.